Alright, it's been a while since I've come to this park. Let's see how much it's changed. It looks like the trees have actually grown over this nice walkway. Testing out the stabilization on the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. I'm using it in the folded mode, not the tablet mode. I was holding it two-handed earlier, holding it one-handed now. This is recording at 60 frames per second. But to me it's a little jarring. Alright, back to two-handed. But this is a nice place. If you ever have a chance to visit this in Auburn, I say do it. I'm gonna put this on pause and go into tablet. Okay, I'm recording this in tablet mode now. And definitely a lot nicer with the little bit bigger widescreen view. Feels like it's handling stabilization better if I hold it in tablet mode. Maybe because it's got a wider screen. But I mean, just look at this place. Well maintained. It's a really nice, beautiful day. I'm holding this one-handed now. And this is with my left hand. Well, I've been holding it up with my left hand. Don't see any wildlife. I was hoping for it. All right, switching to my right hand. All right. It's kind of sad to see an old English bottle there. I wish people would keep it nice and clean. All the wildlife that we should see, but not today, I guess. Oh, I don't know. I saw the video kind of jerky, so I'm gonna do a quick. Okay, the camera is actually doing a stabilization follow mode, I guess. But there was a little jerkiness earlier. I'm not sure what that was about. Here, birds. Don't see any beavers, don't see any salamanders. Yeah. But I love this kind of ecosystem. Such a beautiful place. I don't think a lot of people know about this place because look how well maintained it is. And that I'm the only one here. And I think this is the end of the park. I do see a car. Oh. Oh. Looks like they got rid of the stairways to the top here. Alright. Well, thanks for watching.